I have our new sight word for the day. The sight word we're going to be working on today is the word people. Say the word people. This is how you spell the word people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Let's take a look at the spelling for people. In the word people, we hear the first P at the beginning of the word. People. That's helpful because we know the word starts with the sound that it sounds like at the beginning. People. The next two letters are vowels. Right here, we hear the E say E. P-E. That's helpful too. We hear the E say E. We don't hear the O in this group of vowels. The O is one that we have to remember that is there. P-E-O. We hear the E, not the O. We do hear the next P. That's helpful too. We hear the P at the beginning and the P in the middle of the word. Then we do hear a L sound. Listen. People. We hear the L sound. The E at the very end is one we have to remember. So let's look back at this big long word people. We hear the P. In the vowels, we hear the E say E. We don't hear the O. We hear the next P and we hear the L sound. We don't hear the E at the very end. So there's parts that we can hear and there are parts that we don't hear. So it's important that we put this whole word into our brain so that we can remember all of its parts. Say the word people. Spell the word people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Now you do it. People. Say the word people. Spell the word people. P-E-O-P-L-E. Your turn. Excellent. I'm going to erase some of the letters in people. You tell me what's missing. When I flip my board around, I want you to shout it out. There's a letter missing. Shout out what letter it is. It's at the end. E. People. There's an E at the end of people. Here goes another one. Which letter is missing in people? Shout it out. O. This is one that we don't hear. It's just one we have to remember. The word is people. I'm going to erase another one. This time it's going to be 2 letters. I'm taking away 2 that are in the middle of the word. Which one comes first? The P. Yep. Shout out the next letter that's missing right here. L. Got it. People. Say the word people. Spell the word people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Okay. For our next part of our work together with the word people, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. Press pause and go get it if you don't already have it. And then we'll get started. Okay. So on your paper, I want you to write the word people. Go ahead and do it right now. People. It's a long one. If you're not ready, press pause. If you are ready, let's keep going. On your paper, check your people with my people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Check yours with mine. Okay. Fix anything you need to fix. And we'll do it again. Turn your paper over to the other side so you can't see what you just wrote and write the word people. I'm going to write the word people too. Remember, there are parts you can hear. There are parts you can't hear. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. If you're not ready, just press pause. People. Check yours with mine. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Okay. Fold your paper to a spot where you can't see where you wrote the word people. Write the word people. Press pause if you are not ready. If you are ready, let's spell people. Ready? P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Check yours with mine. Make sure you have all the parts. People is the word. Say the word people. Spell the word people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Good. When this video is over, I want you to take some time to write some sentences with the word people in it. For example, there are people taking a walk. That could be a sentence. There are people outside. That could be a sentence too. There are so many different sentences you can come up with the word people. And by putting people into a sentence, you're practicing how to use the word people and how to spell the word people, which is the goal. We want to be able to spell the word people. Have a great day.